Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to Bybit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First go to your Google and just go search for TradingView and go to the website. Now, once we are taken to the TradingView website, you will log into your account if you're not already logged in. And here from the top we will click on Brokers and then click on Compare Brokers. From here you can choose any broker and just click on Learn More. And here it doesn't matter which broker you chose. Once you are on this page, go ahead and we'll click on Trade. Now is it going to take us to this section? And I'll just close out of this. You will see the trading panel at the bottom. And if we click on it, you can see a list of these brokers. Here you can see Bybit is present. However, if you don't see it, and we will have to select all brokers. Now once we select all brokers, you will be able to find Bybit. And here if I click on it and click on Connect, it's going to refer me to the Bybit website. And if you have an account, you can open an account here depending on the type of account you want to open, and that is going to connect it. So that's basically how you can connect TradingView to Bybit. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.